Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we'll be making an Afro beat. I don't know what I want to make, but we're making an Afro beat using Manifest's latest sample pack, and you can also actually get the pack for free. That's the demo part of this pack. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you could get the free pack for yourself. Let's go right into our DAW and see the Afro beats we'll be able to come up with, right? Okay, so the pack is called Complete, and trust me, I've gone through that pack. Like, I've made a couple of beats using samples from that pack, and that pack is amazing. Right, so it has bass groove, bonus, drum fills, drum loops, one shot. So this is going to be going through the pack and seeing what we could come up with using just stuff from the pack. Okay, so the first thing I want to start with, I want to start with some melody. So let's just go back to the melody loop section, and we have guitar melodies also, but let's just start with the melody, and let's see what we could whether we'll see some vibes to resonate with us. That's already fire. I feel like I can work with that. That's on that vibe too. Yeah, I'm just gonna work with this privacy. Lots of them that I could work with, but let's just start with this to save time. And we'll have the construction kits right there. I think I'll start with let's start with the chords. And it automatically sync with your BPM. So let's just go with the original BPM of the song, which is 90. But my use like 100, or let's go with 98. So let me drag the marimba and see what the marimba is also playing. Maybe I'll not start with that. Let's see the pad. Okay, yeah, with the bass also. Yeah, so we can start with something like this. So we already have a groove. I might come back and pick other elements from the pack, but for now, let's just start with this. Then I'm going to go over to the one shot. Maybe there are also drum loops, but for me, we have drum loops. I'm just going to go with this vibe. Yeah, that vibe already goes, but for me, I don't want to use the drum loops because I'm going to go back to the one shot. Let's look for some nice rim. Let's layer that. Maybe we'll go with something like this. But yeah, we can start with a bounce like this. So let's see whether we can see some congas. Let's go over to the percussion sections. Yeah, then bring in our kick. So you can see how we can just create vibes in like seconds. I like this kick. So I don't know. Maybe I want to add like some hi-hats. So let's go over to the hi-hat section. Do you have open hat, close hats? Like, it's loaded. Everything you need is in this. Then open hats. Maybe I need open hats. Yeah, so we already have a vibe, solid vibe in how many minutes? In less than 5 minutes. So then we can go over and get like drum fills. So let's see. This vibe is already set. Or maybe we can pick F major and just pitch it to F sharp. That's plus 100. Yeah, I see we already have a vibe. So let me find another one. and I can just send it. And you can see I've not done any mixing to this, so it sounds fire already. So I think I'll send this to the same insert 2, and maybe just add in lots of reverb on it just to have that space. Let me go back to my pack. Let me just save time. I think let's see what we can pick from there again. Top line, okay. I like this. You can use that. Let's see the plug too. Yeah, so this is a vibe. So we can start our intro like this. With the horn. So I can then sidechain my kit and my bass. So let's just sidechain this, put in the kick. And trust me guys, even the free pack, the pre part of this pack is also fire, man. Verse and guys, we have a vibe. We have a solid vibe already. So let's just try this, put it over here. And this is what we call quite easily done. And I didn't even think of anything when I started this tutorial. I was like, let me just do a video, and you can see the amazing vibe will just come up with in less than 10 minutes. And that's just because I'm also talking. So guys, you definitely want to go get this pack. Like I said, you can also get the free one. The free one is there. Just the link is in the description, but I'll tell you guys that you should definitely go try out the whole package. So what are you waiting for? Definitely go check out this pack, and see you guys in the next one. If you got something from this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.